So this story begins a few months back when I released the triple splashback delay as a part of the Cosmo module a month kind of project, where I'm releasing a synth module a month that you can build yourself. It's a delay that could go all the way from chorus type sounds to reverbs and everything in between. When I was working on the triple splashback module, I really thought it would be awesome to build a more in-depth and just a bigger delay based on the PT2399 chips. And since then, in the background, I've been working on this, which is a prototype for something called the Big MUMMA delay. So I started adding and modifying the triple splashback circuit on Builders live streams over on Patreon a few months back, kind of adding voltage control to parts like the feedback and the mix and stuff. This was achieved by adding VCAs, voltage controlled amplifiers, within to the circuit to make it, you know, all around a very controllable little bit of a beast. And then the plan was to multiply the delays, so a module would have multiple delays within it, all with collective voltages going to each of the VCAs, so you could control all the delays at the same time or completely independently. And yeah, work in the background here and there for the last few months has culminated in this prototype right here. So what you're looking at here is a massive delay module with 6 delays with their own controls, so you can use them completely independently of each other, and then also the ability to control all of the delays at the same time together in different ways. These 6 boards right here are dedicated PT2399 delays. They've got a delay time, they've got a feedback, and they've got a volume. These 3 knobs also have the ability to be controlled externally via control voltages. These also have attenuators, which means you can control how the voltage control sort of affects these knobs. Control it normally or control it inverted or everything in between. Up at the top, you have the master control module. This is in charge of controlling the dry level. So this basically chooses how much of the dry signal you want to bring in at the end of the delay chain. And it also has the main controls, which you twist to be able to control all of the delays at the same time, depending how you have the attenuators dialed in on all of the separate delays. This actually makes for a very large plethora of control configurations. So this delay, for instance, can speed up, whilst at the same time this delay can slow down. And at the same time, this delay can go up in volume and this delay can go down in volume, depending how you send the control voltages into this whole system. But that doesn't stop there, because you can use these delays completely independently of each other, using these inputs and outputs for each of them, which you can in turn isolate from the mix bus. There's actually 2 mix buses, because this can be a stereo delay, and you can make all manner of delays, from ping pong delays to crazy like swaths of reverb.
So let's see what this is all about. First off, we're going to send in a simple oscillator like this. Ooh, I've already got the output of delay 1 wired into the input of delay 2, and then the output of delay 2 is wired into the input of delay 4, and the output of delay 4 is wired into the input of delay 5, and so on. But also the outputs of each of these delays are going into a single mix bus as well. Currently this is only monophonic, but when the module is done, which should be in a month or 2, it will be stereo, so you'll have 2 mix buses. But currently the feedback is on 0, so I'm going to turn up the master feedback on here, which is going to turn up all the feedbacks. Yeah, you get the idea. Let's mess around with the delay times now. It's currently not got any sound going into it, so everything you're hearing is self-generative. Right, I'll unconnect all of the buses and we'll just have a go at it without the bus sound, so it's a bit more of a just all guns blazing delay effect module.
So I thought this project was at a stage to just, you know, show you it and let you know what it was all about. I've been talking about this over on my Patreon, on Patreon vlogs and stuff for quite a while. So if you want to see more stuff on this and other projects that I've got in the pipework, then definitely go and check it out over on my Patreon. The next module a month is coming out next week. It's a bouncy ball module that simulates a bouncing ball. Ooh. Also over on a Patreon tonight, I'm doing a live stream playing this and this for an hour or so, just jamming out and stuff and building up parts for the next mega mixes, as well as about 20 minutes worth of audio stems that you can cut up and use whatever from the sound files that I made whilst making this video. So like if you like some of the weird sounds in here, well, you can go and get them over on my Patreon, which needless to say supports a lot of the big machines and stuff because they are pretty elaborate money pits, I must say. Anyway, until the next video, I've been Luke Mum No Computer. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe and don't be scared to try it.